And she mentioned how this team is determined to leave their struggles in 2024. You guys pointed out how Kapitan Eliza Ero
on the go, kailangan mo umalis, di ba? Philippines Live lang, one click, doon na.
Julia there, aggressive at the net, but ball still alive. Gandler!
You know what, Vani Ganders really
You know, you can already say, wow, this girl is so ready to detonate bombs as an opposite. Vani Gandler getting an ace this time.
Another ace. Sarap sa feeling sa coaches.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Coming from the bench, you were just a reserve player last year. Bilang ngayon, nag-step up na siya.
Talaga na binigyan ka ng opportunity. Yung mindset mo dapat, hindi ko na to bibitawan.
Kasi minsan talaga mahirap makuha yung ganong opportunity, lalo na't ang dami ng players na magagaling pumalo, magaling pumasa, pero it's about siguro consistency na lang din sa lahat ng ginagawa mo all throughout the skills of volleyball.
Parang speaking from experience yan kasi alam ko yung men's team nyo din na Signal, very stacked, very talented. But look at this, mega rally alert, Gandler down the line! And it's in!
Minsan pasulpot-sulpot lang para maiba lang din yung flow ng defense and offense of their team.
You mean like that, Alfred? But look at Dawn staying sharp with her reflexes. Ooh, a chesty. Ishii down the line. Suaje was there. Coronel back row to Ronquillo. Abil was there. Over on 2 for Jel. Will she do it again? She sets up Gandler, but Ronquillo throwing it away and giving the point to Gandler.
The set is brought to you by Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan.
Points away from tying things up here. Set number 2, talking about the HC Spikers, but opportunity here for Jo and the galleries. Good check. Gandler finds the spot.
That time, Vani Gandler going long. Vani Gandler's attack variant. Taas ng kamay niya. Nasa likod. Taas ng kamay. Flick of a wrist lang. Unlike others na mababa. They're the ring finger of Vani Gandler. Pero makikita mo dito for Julia Coronel, parang hindi siya rookie na maglaro dito sa PVL.
Vani will try this time. Off speed! And it works!
So, they need on the side of gallery. Kaya pag isasaba ka na sa laban sa mga ganitong competition, sa mga ganitong game days, ready lahat. Yeah.
So preparation is key for sure. And look at this, Abil once again with that hit from the opposite side. Right before that, Vani Gandler. Alam ko yung drop ball. But look at this. This spike of the set is brought to you by Duncan. Pasalubong ng bayan. I was saying how Vani has been...
Mga rallies and big. Bilang susulpot na lang ng A-quick bigla, patay ka agad yung bola. Pero I commend also for, of course, the defense coming from both teams, especially Signal on the net. Talang nadidefect nila yung bola
Jel, gigil na gigil with attacks. Acuna, a little slow on that play. Opportunity here again for her. Coronel was there for defense. Encarnacion. Easy lob. Don was there. Vani. Wow, look at that defense. Ball still alive, but a free ball goes to the HE Spikers. Vani, easy tip.
Wow, smart play there. Great court sense. Both liberos na papagalingan, nagpapasit.